How do you find primary sources? For starters, what is a primary source? Primary sources are original materials that have not been altered or distorted in any way. In the context of this course, a primary source, also called an original source or evidence, is an artifact, a document, a recording, or other source of information that was created at the time under study. It serves as an original source of information about the topic. For example, if you are studying the Canterbury Tales, the primary source would be the actual collection of 24 stories that comprise the Canterbury Tales, written by Geoffrey Chaucer. In some respects, these are quite easy to locate. These were all written prior to the establishment of copyright laws, which makes them all available at no cost to the public. For example, if I simply do a Google search on the term Canterbury Tales and scroll down a bit, I find a modern English translation. There are a few other web resources that might make finding primary sources a bit easier, however, if the item you are looking for does not have a distinct title such as Canterbury Tales. Archive.org is a website that is a great resource for primary documents. Let's say I am looking for a work by Alexander Pope entitled Essay on Criticism. It may be easier simply to begin with archive.org, enter Pope Essay on Criticism, and then hit Go, narrow down my results to text, and then select the work. This takes you to the primary source. So far, finding these texts have been fairly straightforward. Some of these texts, particularly those written in the period of Older Middle English, will be quite distinct from English in the 21st century. How can one find what an Old English primary source looked like when it was originally composed? While there are some resources out there that can assist with this, they are limited. Many times, a simple Google search can turn up results. For example, if I am looking for an Old English text entitled The Creed, and I do a simple search for Creed on Google, my results really do not seem to have any relation to what I'm looking for. In this context, it might be better to look at the A to Z index to Old English poetry. If we scroll down, we find The Creed, and it provides us with what this poem looked like in Old English. As you can see, many of these original documents are available online. It may take a bit more than just a Google search, however, to find them. If you have any questions on how to find primary documents, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.